Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Ryan Makes Sense, where we talk about personal finance, investing, and chart analysis. I did have a pre-planned video for you guys. However, I'm feeling very wishy-washy about what I want to review in terms of an individual stock, a trend, a whole market, in terms of like autonomous vehicles, AI. I don't even want to talk. AI is not even a big topic. Nanotechnology, et cetera, et cetera. But I really just can't make up my mind. So I think we should just wing it and kind of see where we go from here. My number one favorite website in the world is finviz.com. So let's just surf there and see the major indexes. Let's look at some institutional buys. Let's look at some anomalies in the market. Let's also talk about political turbulence that's going on over in a country that rhymes with Crussia. So I'm kind of losing it. So let's go over ahead and look at Finviz and let's just wander together. All right, why didn't you guys tell me how bloodshot my eyes look? It's been a crazy ass week at work and I'm beyond tired. But holy cow, they look so bloodshot. I'm here, I'm with you. So we're on finviz.com. This is the best website in the world. It literally can change your life. Let's just look at the heat map to start. So this map on the right side of me, the one that I'm circling, it looks like it was a pretty red day all around. Tesla is blood red. And the S&P 500 SPY stock, you could do SPY ETF. I'm gonna guess that's around 13%. 13.76. Nice. It was 14, I think, last week. So I think it's gonna go down to 10% in the next month. It's gonna be up 10% for the whole year to date, and then I think we're gonna continue upwards towards like 17, 18% for the year. Why is that important? I'm doing a Robinhood challenge where every day I invest $5. Well, I auto deposit $5 into my Robinhood account. I just do $25 a week, and yeah, I make trades there. I'm around 2 to 6%. Um, I'm underperforming the S&P 500. Um, I have separate videos on that, so please check those out if you're interested. But let's go back to Finviz. And I'm gonna get my head out of the main. Whoops, that's not my head. I'm gonna get my head out of the main. Why do I keep grabbing that? There we go. All right. Let's look at insider buying and selling. Here we can see FNCA, First Citizens Bank shares. Someone bought someone named Frank Jr. But 16, I can't tell if it's three separate transactions or one transaction for the same amount. So let's just check it out. And then Oracle, it looks like Lawrence Ellison, who I think is one of the founders, sold $215 million worth. Whoa. Walmart, one of the family members, sold 213 million. Wow. And then Lawrence Ellison, the same person, sold $213 million on June 21st. So Larry Ellison sold almost $500 million. So let's just look at Oracle. Like, is it overvalued? Is that why he's selling or what? And then we have down here, we have more insider trading. We have AZTR. Let's check that out. Looks like someone's buying quite a bit, $6 million worth. Yes, 2 days ago. And then Reily Financial. That's a nice bull flag. We'll look at that. And then more Reily Financial. So they bought their own stock and then they bought an internet company. Let's check it out. So First Citizens Bank, $1,200 stock. Great. Oh my God. Went from $300 October 2020 to now 1,200. Oh my God, it's very undervalued? Seriously? It really is. It's got a PE of 1.72, which is insane. That is insane. Wow. Wow. The stock used to be 50 bucks. Oh my, the stock used to be 10 bucks. What the heck is even going on there? That's crazy. Let's go back to today. Oh yeah, it's overextended, but what? Yeah, this is way, way undervalued. I'm not even gonna do the math on this because it's just beyond gone. So looking here, we have back in, you guys can still see it, 2016, they had 987 million in interest income, uh, 1.1 bill, 1.2 bill, 1.4 bill, 1.4 bill, 1.4 bill, 3.4 bill, 3.9 bill. What the heck? Um, wow. So he bought and he sold. So he sold at 12.98 and then bought at 12.33. I don't know what that's all about there. That might be a tax or an options thing going on because that's a little funky if you ask me. Wow. They really just tripled. Doubled. They doubled. This thing is moving like a small cap growth stock penny stock cryptocurrency coin. Literally, it went 100% within 3 months. A bank, a bank. So that's crazy. I'm more interested in Oracle. What's going on with Oracle? This looks like a very bullish setup. So we have a bull flag here. Here's the flagpole, and then the flag is going down, and then we should see a boop going that way. However, look how it's very oversold right here. It's about to trend downward, but this is the daily. I bet if we go to the monthly or the weekly, it's going to look very bullish. Let's just see. Let's check it out. Oh my God, no, it did a huge gap up. That's crazy. It's got to come back down to 109. It's going to come back down to 109 to close this gap for sure. I don't know if it's going to be in June or July, but it's coming back down to 109 for sure. That's crazy. On the weekly. And then the monthly, yeah. So we'll see what happens. But this stock literally almost doubled in less than a year. What's going on? We're in a bull market, I'll tell you what. Okay, it's overvalued. It's at a 38 right now, which means it's a little overvalued. In the future, it's a lot less undervalued. And you have to compare this against with its peers. So this is a software infrastructure play. So at these levels, I'm not interested. I think I would be more interested in a pullback to 109/96. And we'll just do some quick math. We're gonna do my calculation of sales plus income plus market cap. If the market cap is over 1 billion, this one is, we're gonna add the cash and remove the debt, divide it by the shares outstanding. So everything is in billions, which makes it so easy. So we can do 49.95 billion in sales plus 8.5 billion in income plus 323.09 billion in market cap. Sales, let's just look at the revenues. Wow, they've just been on a nice streak, honestly. Like it feels like you can't go wrong owning something like this if you have time in your life. Yeah, I don't know what I'm talking about. Okay, cash. They have 9 billion, so it's gonna be plus 9.765 billion. Debt, I'm guessing they have billions. Oh yeah. $90 billion in debt minus 90 point total debt 90.481. Ooh. And then we're going to divide this by the shares outstanding. So divided by 1.54 billion. $195 stock on the aggressive side. If we're being more conservative, we're going to do 300.84. Whoops, 300.84. And again, this is our sales, market cap, income, plus cash minus debt. So this is 300 billion, and we're going to divide this by 2.7. So a fair stock price is between $111 and $190. We're at 118. So in the grand scheme of things, this thing has a lot. If it can get some momentum, it has a lot of juice. But I think it does need to come back down and close that gap on the weekly. So good one to consider, in my opinion. Going to the next one, AZTR. I'm so interested. Do you think this company has any sales? I'm going to say no. Okay, I lied. I mean, I didn't lie. That was my opinion. They have $280,000 in sales, but that could just be from cash on hand. Um, it's a preclinical bio company focusing on developing therapies for precision dermatology using engineered proteins and live biotherapeutical products to treat skin diseases. So no products. They don't have a Humanica, Humira, a Vasipa, aspirin, Tylenol. They don't have anything. 11 million shares outstanding. Not that great. So we have some people from B. Riley who invested. That's pretty at $5. Stock is now $4. It's no. What's their debt? Total debt, $6 million they're in debt. They have 3 million in cash. Oh God. Total assets is 7 million. Total liabilities is 9 million. This is not off to a good start, you guys. Pass. B. Riley, this one pays a beautiful dividend, and we are in a really good pattern right here. Again, it's kind of like a little flag. It should come up and probably test 45. Yep, a 9% dividend. They're not profitable. So I was invested in this before. But I did sell it. I think I probably took a loss on it. Um, so wow. Well, these are pretty significant buys. They're buying $3. Like, let's look. Total revenue went from 190 million, 322 million, 422 million, 652 million, 881 million, 1.7 billion, 879 million, and trailing 12 is 1 billion. That's all good and gravy. However, look at their net income. Positive 14 mil, negative 4 mil, positive 4 mil, positive 34 mil, positive 75 mil, positive 163 million, negative 63 million, negative 52 million. Why are they doing this? Cash, they should have some cash. 268 mil cash. They're growing that. Total assets is 6.1 billion. It's growing nicely. That's beautiful. Honestly, that's beautiful. Total liabilities is 5.6 billion. So they have 6.1 billion assets, 5.6 in liabilities. Ugh. Is this worth $3? You guys? And they pay a 10% dividend. I don't even know if they're paying their dividend. Dividend. I don't think so. May. I think May they paid $1 dividend. Let's just see. Okay, declare dividend $1 on May 16th. So what was the stock price on May 16th? It was close of $33. So $1 times 12 months and eight. No. I got it wrong. $1 divided by 33.7. Whoops, I did times. 1 divided by 33.7. 2.3% dividend. That doesn't sound right. It might be $1 because is this a monthly, quarterly? Let's see. May, April, yes. February, March, April. So it is sounds like it's monthly. So it was a lot higher than 9% if the stock was 33, now it's 41. So let's look at the bigger picture. Oh, this is not a $3 stock. What am I talking about? This is a $41 stock. Nice breakout. Nice breakout. It could be a dead cat bounce. We'll see a little hump come up to probably maybe 50 and then probably come back down to the 20 range. That would be nice. For those who are looking to get into this, I'm not really. Okay, cool, B. Riley. That was fun. The Arena Group, I think B. Riley invested in this. They did. They are investing a lot. Total revenue. Wow, look at this, you guys. Total revenue 0.8. So that is $80,000, 5.7 million, 53 million, 128 million, 189 million, 220 million, 224 million. Net income though is not they're lose that it's a losing formula. So negative net income. Their gross margins are 50%, 40%. Okay. So basically they're paying $4 to make $10. So they do 224 million in sales. They're losing 68 million. They don't have their cash and debt situation's not that good. Insiders are buying a lot. Institutions are buying. Only 15 million shares outstanding. Oh, let's just run this. $224 million. I gotta do it. No, I can do shorthand. Everything's in the millions. So 0.1 minus 68.3. We're not adding market cap because market cap is under 1 billion. All right. We're gonna add cash and remove debt. Cash is 13 plus 13.87 minus total debt of 114. Yeah. 114.58. And let's just look at their total assets to debt really quick. Total assets 203 million, total liabilities 242 million. That basically sums it up. They have more liabilities than they have assets. B. Riley, what are you guys doing? What are you guys doing? They're probably loading a position for the long term or a catalyst. I don't know. So let's take this number and divide it by $15, or I'm sorry, not $15. 15 million shares available. So it's a $3.67 stock, and the stock is literally trading at 366. So I will let you guys decide. Yeah, I'll let you guys decide what you think of these four stocks that we looked at. I'm gonna end this video and I'm gonna pick up right where we left off because I'm still feeling pretty loopy and this is kind of fun. So next we'll look at some other stuff in the next video, which is coming out a few days after this one. So hope you guys are doing well. If you made it this far, please click the subscribe button, click the like button. It really helps me out. It lets YouTube know that this guy named Ryan is doing something pretty cool. So anyway, have a great day, weekend, anniversary, celebration, birthday. Goodbye.